We're going to be creating the pick a picture game. So this is your 5th game of Scratch, and I think this one is pretty easy compared to the other ones. Probably one of the easiest games you'll make. So you're only going to need a few blocks of code for this one. So same thing as last time, click on create. And then file, load from your computer. And then find pickapicture.sb3, click on open, and then click on OK. So this is your main page. So what's gonna happen when you click on bear, a picture of a bear will appear. When you click on cougar, a picture of a cougar. Same thing with elephant, fox, giraffe, and tiger. So first thing we can do, we can click on button 2, which is for the bear. So you can either click on here, so just click on button 2, which is for the bear. You're gonna go to events and add when this sprite clicked. And then you're gonna add broadcast message 1. Click on message 1, type new message, and then you're gonna type in bear. So what this is gonna do, after you click on button 2, it's gonna broadcast a message called bear. Now go to button 3, which is the cougar. Do the same exact steps. An easier thing we can do, instead of just redoing it for every single button, just drag this. So grab it by when sprite clicked, drag it to cougar. And then you should see how it kind of wobbles when it's over it. So just drag it, and then you can go to cougar and it'll be there. Same thing for all of them. So you can go here. And another thing you can do, instead of dragging, you have a backpack over here. So there's something called a backpack. You can put this code in your backpack. So now you see that over here. Now if we go to button 5, you just drag it out, and then it will be there. So a backpack just keeps in all the code you want it to. So now we don't have to recreate it every single time. So now, button 2, when the sprite clicked, broadcast cougar. Now in button 3, instead of broadcast bear, you're gonna do new message and type in cougar. Spell that right. So when this sprite, broadcast cougar. Then you're gonna go to button 4 and do the same thing. Instead of bear, you're gonna click on new message, type in elephant. Button 5, when this sprite clicked, broadcast fox. Broadcast for giraffe, you're gonna broadcast giraffe. Tiger, broadcast tiger. So now, button 2 should say when this sprite clicked, broadcast bear. Button 3, when this sprite clicked, broadcast cougar. Button 4, when this sprite clicked, broadcast elephant. Button 5, when this sprite clicked, broadcast fox. Button 6, when this sprite clicked, broadcast giraffe. And button 7, broadcast tiger. Now we're gonna go back to the animal. So the main animal. So this is gonna this is the code that's gonna display what picture is showing up. First thing, when I receive bear. So when I receive bear, you're gonna go to looks, switch costume, and make that bear. So when I receive bear, switch costume to bear. Now let's do the same thing. So this time, you're just gonna right click on the first one like we always do. So right click on it and click on duplicate. And now let's see how many buttons we have. We have 6 buttons. So we want this block 6 times. 4, 5, 6. So now we have 6 broadcast bears. So when I receive bear, switch costume to bear. Now we're gonna change them accordingly. So when I receive cougar, switch costume to cougar. When I receive elephant, switch costume to elephant. When I receive fox, switch costume to fox. When I receive giraffe, switch costume to giraffe. When I receive tiger, switch costume to tiger. Okay, so if we go to our costumes, we can see that there's already pre-built costumes for cougar, elephant, fox, giraffe, and tiger. So if you want, what you can do, you can delete one of these costumes and find your own image from online of a different animal and you can change the code. So say you want a dog, then you can just change it, create a new message, and make it when I receive dog, switch costume to dog. So it's just the same thing, but you'll have to add another button, or you can replace a button with another one. So if we start our game now, click on go, let's click on cougar, change it to cougar, tiger, giraffe, fox, bear, elephant. So yeah, that is how this game works. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and you can change it however you want, add different images, change the color of the buttons, change the animals. You can do whatever you want. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed.